to SkyTrek Tower, the tallest freestanding structure in all of Lake County. The cabin you are sitting in carries 70 passengers to the top of this 330-foot tower, providing spectacular views of the surrounding area. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the bird's eye view from Six Flags Great America's tallest ride. It's a summer of endless fun and special surprises as we proudly debut a brand new 4D interactive thrill ride, Justice League Battle for Metropolis. This new adventure will feature state-of-the-art technology, high-tech video graphics, and a full sensory gaming experience that puts you right in the middle of the action. After wandering the unbelievable 22,000 square foot Hall of Justice, you'll board your unique twisting 6-passenger vehicle. Armed with a laser stun gun, you'll travel through a series of incredible scenes around the city of Metropolis, interacting with lifelike animatronic characters, 3D animated images, and 4D experiences like fire and fall, to save your favorite superheroes from the evil villains. This adventurous ride also features one of the first ever virtual and real-time gaming elements to compete against other rivals.
Security tower.
Returning this summer is Goliath, giant among coasters, towers over County Fair. This record-breaking thriller boasts the record of the world's tallest, steepest, and fastest wooden roller coaster. Looking out over Six Flags, you can see why this park is a thrill seeker's paradise. Across the skyline, you will see 14 world-class roller coaster experiences. With such an incredible collection of thrill rides, Six Flags Great America is proud to offer more than 25 million rides each season. And several of our roller coasters can individually deliver more than 1 million rides each. Whether it's the adrenaline-packed Raging Bull or family-friendly Dark Knight coaster, millions of guests enjoy the rides you know and love. Six Flags Great America is home to many children's areas geared to the thrill seekers and friends. In Yukon Territory, visit Camp Cartoon, a Fantasyland-themed after classic cartoon characters like the Flintstones, Scooby-Doo, and the Jetsons, and home of Spacely's Sprocket Rockets, a twisting and turning kids coaster. In County Fair, check out Kidsopolis, featuring 5 rides and 2 play areas designed for the entire family. For your convenience, a one-time height check wristband is available at the Ride Information Center in Mardi Gras or Guest Relations in Carousel Plaza, so our smaller guests do not have to be re-measured at each ride. Did you know over 25 rides outside of our 3 children's areas are ideal for families? These rides feature brightly colored carousel horse